Say goodbye to tangled headphones, chargers, and cables. And say hello to Kloop, your everyday magnetic cable tie. Kloop was built to help keep you organized and keep your cables and cords neat and tangle-free. Use it at home to keep your living space free of cord clutter. Keep Kloop at your desk to increase usability and workflow. It even keeps your cables off the floor to prevent accidents or damage caused by pets. Kloop makes your cables easy to pack up and take with you on the go. When you're ready to use your headphones, Kloop frees your cable in one easy step. Snap it onto your clothes and your earbuds stay out of the way when exercising. Kloop will always keep your growing collection of gadgets neat and tangle-free. Here's where Kloop is unique. This is our latest prototype. It comes in 2 different sizes and 3 different colors. Kloop is made from an elastic silicone material with 2 neodymium magnets located at opposite ends. Kloop won't slide off your cables. In fact, it actually works as a companion device. Kloop stays attached to your cable even when not in direct use, so you'll never have to worry about accidental loss. Kloop is simple, effective, compact, and can be taken anywhere.
First up, Maco 2.0, a magnetic cable organizer that keeps your cables neatly bundled. It's easy to use. Insert the cable through the slits so that Maco stays safely attached and secured. Next, roll up your cable and snap the magnetic ends of the Maco together. And there you have it. The Maco does so much more than organize your cords. With the use of magnets, you can also secure your earbud cable on your shirt. It ensures cords will stay out of the way while you're in the creative zone, going for a morning run, or enjoying a coffee. Use the magnetic points to dock Maco to any ferrous metal surfaces. You can dock your belongings to the fridge so that it's always in reach and ready to go when you are. For the new Maco 2.0, we've made several improvements. It's more streamlined, as the magnets are now enclosed inside the elastomer rubber body. The new material is both dust resistant and water repellent. Compared to the original Maco, the Maco 2.0 is longer and is fitted with stronger magnets, making it simpler to use. In addition to Maco 2.0, we are also excited to introduce the Big Maco, suitable for larger cords. Big Maco is available in 2 types of materials, the durable elastomer rubber and the 2-tone premium leather. The stay-on cable feature of Big Maco differs from the Maco. The loop design allows the Big Maco to accommodate for cables with a variety of thicknesses and all kinds of connectors. Rest assured, Big Maco still shares all the same features as the Maco 2.0. There are endless applications for Big Maco. For instance, organize your guitar cords for easy carry and quick release. It's a handy travel buddy. Keep your luggage in order and your electronic devices tidy. Lastly, for non-ferrous metal surfaces, a custom-designed platform can be used to dock your cables. The platform incorporates a removable and reusable micro-suction tape to allow for convenient relocation. It has taken 2 years to refine the design through sketches, 3D modeling, prototypes and testing. The design is ready for production. Your support will help fund the tooling and minimum order quantities required for manufacturing. We look forward to having you join us on this next adventure. Thank you from the team at Maco.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.